Next, we perform a cleaning head, an operation video of replacing the protective lens and focusing lens. This is the protective lens of D3O/2. The protective lens of D3O/2. This is D30F500. There are others. This is the focusing lens. These are all the focusing lenses used. This is during use. Avoid dust from falling in. To clean the lens, alcohol wipes. When we found the protective lens, there was a small black dot in the middle, or is contaminated or damaged, then we need to replace the protective lens immediately. When replacing, there are two. The first one is the outermost one, which is the protective lens. The focusing lens is inside. Let's replace the protective lens first. Take off the protective lens. Be sure to keep the environment dry and hygienic. We take out the alcohol wipes. Put the removed protective lens on the alcohol wipes. Avoid contamination. Take out the new protective lens, then install it on top. Turn the paddle of this circle counterclockwise. Let it come out of the slot in these two protective areas. You can check it out. You can take out the previous protective lens, then replace it with a new one. If it has cracks, black spots or other contaminants, you need to wipe it with alcohol wipes. If it can't be wiped off, you need to replace it immediately. Avoid because not replacing the protective lens in time, which causes damage to other protective lenses. During use, during replacement, be sure not to damage the lens. Try to use gloves and alcohol wipes to do this. Okay, the replacement is completed. We put the tablet back. Clamp tightly. We put it back. Okay, we put the protective lens back. Tighten. Next, we will replace the focusing lens. The first one is the protective lens, the second one is the focusing lens. Remove the focusing lens. Remove the focusing lens. Take out the new focusing lens. Insert. Tighten. This is a complete step to replace the lens.